Premium IELTS Mastery course. In this video, we're going to talk about recently asked May to August 2025 new speaking topic, IELTS Speaking Part 2. Today's topic is describe an interesting building that is unusual. You should say where it is, how you got to know about it, what it is famous for, and explain why you think it is interesting. I will also explain in Punjabi language so that each and every piece of language you understand clearly. You can also get a PDF of this video lesson at the end of this video. First of all, we'll talk about ideas and vocabulary you can use. Types of unusual buildings you could talk about. You could talk about futuristic, modern architecture, the Guggenheim Museum, or Burj Khalifa, the Shard, right? These are just ideas. You could also talk about artistic buildings like the Crooked House, Piano House, Bubble Palace. In this video, I'm going to talk about the Crooked House. We'll be discussing the Crooked House, right? Okay, so key vocabulary for describing unusual buildings. For shape and design, you could use this. For materials, you can use this. And for impact and feelings like eye-catching, mind-blowing, jaw-dropping, right? Now let's see the model answer. We'll also analyze the language. Okay, I'm pleased you've asked me this question. बहुत ज़्यादा impressive line है ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ क्यू कार्ड ਨੂੰ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕਰਨਾ ਸੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਵੀ ਮੈਂ ਖੁਸ਼ ਹਾਂ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਆਹ question ਪੁੱਛਿਆ, right? Because I'm fascinated by ਵੀ ਮੇਰਾ ਬਹੁਤ ज़्यादा interest ਹੈ ਇਸ ਚੀਜ਼ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ architecture. I particularly love old buildings. And today I'm going to talk about this quirky and eye-catching building called the Crooked House in Sopot, Poland. It's one of those offbeat structures that make you do a double take. Eye-catching, jo bahut zyada impressive hove, quirky, we can say unusual, or an interesting or in funny way, we can say that, right? Do a double take. That means to look again in surprise or disbelief. Jida tonu vishwash na hoye, right? Okay, offbeat different from what is usual or expected. Offbeat ਹੁੰਦਾ ਵੀ ਜੋ ਆਪਾਂ expect ਕਰਦੇ ਵੀ ਆ ਐ ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਸੀ ਪਰ ਇਹ ਐ ਕਿਉਂ ਹੈ ਨਹੀਂਗਾ, right? This outlandish yet fascinating building is located right in the heart of Sopot, a seaside resort town in Poland. It's nestled among more conventional buildings, which makes it stand out like a sore thumb in a good way. I first saw this building in films and vowed that one day I would visit it. Outlandish, very strange, or unusual. Word that means ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਖੁਦ ਨੂੰ promise ਕਰਦੇ ਵੀ ਹਾਂ ਇਹ ਚੀਜ਼ ਮੈਂ ਕਰੂੰਗਾ, right? Stand out, totally different or impressive. The second I saw it, ਮਤਲਬ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਹੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਦੇਖਿਆ, I was gobsmacked. It looked like something straight out of a fairy tale or a surreal painting. Later, I did some digging and found out it's actually inspired by Jan Marchen, a famous Polish illustrator. Sketches the Crooked House is famous for its wrapped, wavy architecture, almost as if it's melting or dancing. Gobsmacked, बहुत ज़्यादा हैरान हो जाना, right? जो speechless we say. For example, जिਵੇਂ अगर तुसी expect ना कीता होवे कि मेरे 8 band या मेरे 9 नहीं आ सकते और जिਵੇਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ 9 band आ जान and you say that I was gobsmacked when I saw that my score. Surreal, strange, dreamlike or unreal. The whole building is curved and uneven, so it looks unreal, like a dream. It's now a major tourist hotspot. कुछ students इन्हें tourist बोलते हैं, tourist pronounce नहीं होता, it's tourist, okay? Housing cafes, shops and even a radio station. What makes it mind-blowing is how it defies conventional architecture. Most buildings are all about straight lines and symmetry, but this one throws the rule book out of the window. मतलब एक ऐदां दी building है जो सारे rule ਨੂੰ मतलब cross कर ਦਿੰਦੀ है, कोई rule नहीं है ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, right? कि building ऐदां ही होनी चाहिदी है. Curved, not straight, smoothly bent in a rounded shape, uneven, not flat or smooth, irregular, rough, we can say that. So yeah, if I ever visit Poland, this would be my must-see spot. It's the perfect mix of art, architecture, and sheer creativity, something you don't see every day. Must-see spot, a place that is so interesting, famous, or unique. You can also download free PDF of this video. Join my Telegram channel. The link is in the description below. And if you want more sample answers like this, you can also join my premium IELTS Mastery course. And if you're looking for online live plus pre-recorded classes with me, you can join my premium IELTS mastery course. Download application Arun IELTS classes from the Play Store. If you have iPhone, you can download Class Plus and enter this code. Or for more information, you can also text me on my WhatsApp number, which is on the screen. Thank you very much for watching this video and listening to Arun Vishist.